Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading, and I want to see if we can get a second entry short here. We've pretty much been downhill all day. I think we're in this bigger channel, and we've recently had this little micro downtrend push off the lows, but I think we're still in this channel like I mentioned. So if we get a second entry short at the EMA here, I am interested in taking this. This is also a little support resistance area, so this could be like a triple test as well. And I suspect there's some longs that may have piled in this with how much it rocketed off the lows, but notice that EMA halted it on the first entry, so if the second entry halts it as well, I'm interested in this. So hopefully this kind of stalls near the EMA, and this can be our setup bar. There may be some kind of bigger channel, but it's not really valid yet. And we do halt right at that EMA. And here, let me draw this support resistance area I was talking about. So you can see here, this would be a triple test. If we turn here, we need to break above first. And it wants to, can't quite do it. Hopefully this does. Really struggling. There we go. We do tick above. And that doesn't look valid. So if this turns, I'll actually consider this on engulfing, because there's probably some people that took this as a trap, and they're not seeing this turning right into that support resistance area and the EMA. So they took this, sorry, I may have said that wrong. They took this as a higher low, and I think this can trap them. EMA really halted it. Just a one tick trap if this is able to tick below now. And since we're in this downtrend, I'll probably go for the full 4. That's probably, looks like it'll be below the lows, but this still looks pretty good. I think we can push a little bit below the lows. And we do have some bars stacked side by side, but notice how there's no dojis in that. It's really up-down bars, so you can still kind of define this movement by looking at it. Clearly went up to the EMA, pushed down from the EMA, back up into the EMA, and now we're pushing back down. So it looks like we are going to tick below here. And I'll move this up if it closes one above. There we go. We are in this on the engulfing. And the bar does finish quite nicely anyway, so that's good. Prefer the engulfings towards the end of the bar formation. That way it doesn't really give too many ticks to be able to back up on you. This only had like 100 or something left. So you can see this is a little bit more than a point below the lows that we're going for, but it's been really downhill, so I suspect this shouldn't be too difficult. And unfortunately, it has not triggered yet. There we go. Now it triggers, and oh well, instantly pushes down to that low. Take a screenshot of this. And let's see if we can push just a little bit more, about another point. Get the full amount here. Getting close. Hopefully this doesn't back up. Oh, and there we go. Couldn't even trail it there. Got the full 16 ticks. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Triple tests, lower high, second entry short, context all in our favor. And I wanted to mention, if you guys enjoy the way that Marco and I trade, really consider checking out our course at toppicktrading.com. It was developed by our mentor, Eric. And we have a form available where he's there to answer any questions too once you purchase the course. So if you guys are interested, check it out. Thanks for watching and have